Hi everyone, my name is Janice and I'm here to show you the Hexagon and Diamonds die set and stamps. It'll come with these two pieces. I'm going to go ahead and show you the stamps first. This large stamp is all together so you can create one whole background. And then it has some sentiment stamps at the bottom along with some floral designs. This one says life is wonderful and so are you. We have friend, thanks, I love you a whole bunch, you make me smile, for you, and just to say. And the matching dies are right here. And then just like the stamp, it has this whole border, but the only difference is this comes off. So you're able to change out what you have inside. You can keep it blank. You can put one of the stripes or you can put one of these designs, which I thought was really cute. And then along with that, it also has the hello die. This one says love and this one says hey. And I really like that you can make so many things just from this one. So just like we're going to be making the hexagon card, we'll be using that. But even if we wanted to do squares or diamonds, I thought that would be really cute as another background too. But like I said, I want to make a hexagon card and just show you some different techniques that I use as far as like getting like a different color paper. I was hoping to do like shimmer powder and then combining sparkle spray. I have these two right here. Even though this looks like pretty dark, it actually comes out like a blush color. And then this one, the shimmer powder, when you add the water to it, the colors pop out. So it'll have like different colors of pinks. I think it has like yellow and orange coral colors. So I thought these two would be really cute to create like a background to use for the hexagon pieces. And before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and show you two of the cards that I already made, and then we'll go ahead and get started. So here are two. And this one, I just did the flower dies and the hello die just to create something like cute and simple. And then with this one, I used the large stamp piece and then I first stamped it down in black, colored it, and then re-stamped it down with the embossing pad and put the gold glitter on there. And that just made like a whole different outline and everything. All right, I think I'm done talking. Let's go ahead and start crafting. The first thing we're gonna do is actually create part of the background. So we're going to be using the shimmer powder and Fantail Firecracker, and then the sparkle spray and pearl blush. I'm just going to get a white piece of paper. And then what we're going to do first is we're going to lightly tap this around the paper, and then we're going to get water. I have this inside the light mist spray bottle. I'm just going to spray water around it until I get the color that I like. I'm going to go ahead and heat set this, and then I'll show you what to do next. So I went ahead and dried this. What we're going to do next is get the sparkle spray, and then we're just going to spray it on here. I'm going to put it probably in 3 separate spots. Nice. I really like how it matches what we just used. It just kind of like fills in the blanks for us. We're going to let this dry, and then I'll show you which dies that we're going to use to cut out some of the background and little details from this. It is dry. Go ahead and get your dies. And the ones that I plan on using is the hexagon and the background to the hello. So you can use this to cut out the background, and then go ahead and cut out about 3 hexagons from the paper. this is what you should have. From here, go ahead and get black. Cut out one of these and then one solid. And we'll use the black on that. And then what we're going to do is also cut out the words in black as well. And from here, go ahead and get a like light pink or a color that'll match and cut out 2 solids of that. And then we're going to do kind of like an accent one. So I'm going to use like a glitter card and cut out one from the glitter card, and that'll be kind of like an accent piece to it. So this should be all the pieces that you have. The last thing we are going to do, go ahead and cut out 2 of these. I'm going to cut out 2 in white. Okay, so this should be all the cutout pieces that you have. What we're going to do is we're going to set all these aside, and we're going to keep these 2 right here. Get a scratch piece of paper, and let's see how I want to do this. I think we're going to use a pencil. Really lightly, just trace the inside of where you want it to be colored. You don't even have to put the whole thing. I'm kind of just putting like kind of like lines so I know about where to color. And I'm going to use the pink grapefruit as the main piece for the flower. That'll cover all of it. And let's use Persian lime. Good thing is, you can make a mess. We're going to be cutting this out. This is just going to go right underneath it. Okay, better safe than sorry. Yep. And what we're going to do next is glue this to the paper. And then we're just going to cut the outline for this. And then go ahead and do the same thing with the other piece. Now that we have both pieces done, set that aside, and we're going to go ahead and move on to the actual card. And cut out a top sheet. So I just cut out about 5 by 7. I did a little bit larger, that way if I do not line it up all the way, it'll still cover the card. And then get your hexagon die, and we're going to cut out a little window. So I'm thinking about close to the bottom right, and go ahead and cut out both of those. After you cut that out, go ahead and separate the 2 pieces, and we're going to get some vellum. And we're just going to cut out a little bit larger because we're going to place this in between the sheets. And I'm just going to do about this much. It's going to go like this. But before we glue all that down, since it is a window, I want to put like a stamp right here so you can see it right underneath the vellum. So see. Let me get my stamp things. Let's see. I'm gonna do You Make Me Smile. And get your stamp on there. We're just going to stamp through the window. That way we know our placement is right. There you go. Should look like this. Now we can go ahead and glue the vellum right on top. Then from there, we're going to put the top sheet right on top. Let me use this because I feel like it'll be a lot easier. Right there. Okay, now we can go ahead and assemble the card. So we're going to get the hexagons back out and all the little pieces. And now we're just going to decorate it. I'm going to go ahead and glue this down since it's going to be the background. I'm going to use my tweezers to help me hold this. This reminds me of sprinkles. Sprinkles on a cupcake. Might be a little hungry. And you should get that. And let's see. Let's rearrange this. I want to make sure we can see all of that flower piece. Let's do pink. Throw a black on there. Want this to be right center. And we'll just put that down here. And when you like the arrangement, go ahead and glue that down. Now that they're glued down, we're going to cut off the excess. Just flip over your card and then just follow the line around it. Okay, and the last few pieces. And Once you have them cut off, I think it's okay to go ahead and put the hello. I'm going to put it close to this because it's like, hello, you make me smile. So I'm just going to get some foam tape, stick it on the back. I am already thinking about food. I don't know if you heard my stomach growl, but I'm a little hungry. Let's do right here. Bagel sandwich sounds good. It's morning right now, so I'm eating a late breakfast today. Let's see. I think that'll look good right there. I'm probably going to put some tape on it too. This one I might have to cut, but I think it'll still be cute. I'll put it about right here. Oh my goodness, my stomach is yelling at me. Okay, let's cut this off. Ooh, I'll poke my eye. Okay, and I know I didn't say I was going to use this, but I thought, well, why not? Let's go ahead and add some of these crystal drops. This is seashell pink. I want to see if I can get this inside the flower. Make it a little more puffy. Ooh, I like that. Sometimes I don't think about what I can use to decorate until I'm actually decorating, and then it's like, oh, this would be cute. Let me add this. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to. You just see what it looks like through mine. I think I'll just do it on this one. And I'll leave the other one like that, flat. But I do really like this. Makes it stand out more. Okay, we are done. This will be your finished result. Get a little close up. And you can see through the window what it says. I think it's really cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial video, and I think that's all. Happy crafting! Bye!